Hi everyone, welcome to share classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.5 centimeter or diameter 13 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the radius 6.5 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 6.5. And we know that radius of a circle is equal to half of diameter of the circle. So this is 6.5 centimeter. Now taking here a point here. Next, taking the length 6.5 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point. Next, drawing here a arc by this way and which represents a circle with radius 6.5 centimeter. So now joining this one, and this is the radius of this circle. Taking here the center O and here A. So OA equal to 6.5 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.5 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friend.